Ever feel like you're drowning in long meetings and lectures, struggling to grasp the key takeaways? Mountains of information, chaotic notes, and hours spent crafting a mediocre summary. Those brilliant, fleeting ideas and crucial decision points just slip away. Now say goodbye to all that. Introducing Meeting Master, the intelligent recording and thinking engine built for your Mac. It can perfectly record and transcribe your meetings or lectures. Just a gentle press is all it takes.
Will happen unless we follow our newfound wisdom or understanding with deeds, with action. Why? Because we first make our habits.
After the session, our powerful AI delivers more than just a concise summary. It also intelligently flags the crucial action items you might have missed. And then comes the magic. Instantly transform everything into a crystal clear mind map or a perfectly logical flowchart. Finally, you can visualize your most complex thoughts in an instant. We are Intelligent Science, and we believe great tools empower great ideas. Today, we're inviting you to back us on Kickstarter. Be among the first to experience Meeting Master and get exclusive early bird rewards. Let's redefine productivity together.